is another really special piece. Both of these pieces, I used to have an import business from Papua New Guinea. And it's north of Australia, so you don't get it confused with African. This is not African, it is New Guinea. Then some of the beads that come in this are some really nice old sponge coral. These are conch shell. This is called pumtek. These beads are extremely rare. They are petrified palm wood, so you don't see them very often. And these little beads I got in Istanbul with the little red dots. They're almost like a cloisonne. African trade here. These are wonderful. These, if you can see the design, they're pecked little conch shell beads from Nagaland, which is between Burma and India. Headhunting tribe, very interesting. So are the people from New Guinea. So then we go back to some more pumtek. These are from Morocco. They're cloisonne. These are from Istanbul. It's meerschaum, if you've ever heard of meerschaum pipes. It's a very interesting, lightweight material, and I found a string of beads of that. It's just quite interesting. These little beads are little carved owls. They're just so sweet if you love owls, which I do. So they're in there, and more pumtek, more of these carved little skull beads out of prayer bolas from Tibet. And then I had to add a little airplane from flying around the world to collect all these beads at the end. So that's what happened with that one. A similar situation here, a little more African beadwork in this one. New Guinea pendant, but mostly African trade beads throughout. And this one is kind of follows along that line with the Ethiopian cross, and pieces of turquoise and tiger eye and amber and the sand cast seed beads from Africa, some turquoise. These little beads, look at these little with the green in them, they're from China. Just incredible detail, incredible, wonderful detail. And that each bead, like I say, tells a story. So each piece of the Passport Collection jewelry literally takes you around the world, and it just makes such a fascinating story. You wear one of these necklaces and you will be the hit of the party, because everybody will want to know, and I'll let you know so that you can tell those stories yourself to the people that see you.